It's an animal. It's not the same having a dog than a cat. So you say it a lot. And this is a Z, which is something that I'll discuss later. But I already told you during the pronunciation lesson that most of the time that you see an S is actually a Z. But okay, I'm going to pronounce it first in Spanish, then Spanish 4 in Italian, then with an American accent. I have 3 dogs. Wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4. The American way, I have 3. I have 3 dogs. See? It's basically like an accordion. Okay, you know, the instrument that you open and close it. I have 3 dogs. Okay, that's the second example.